In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix controller pressing keyboard keys on PC Epic Games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a solution to this common problem. Usually, this issue will happen because you have Steam running on the background. So for this video, I'm going to assume that Steam is running and it is the origin of your issue. However, if you aren't running Steam, then you will have to look into alternative solutions. Now, like I said, for most people, this problem will happen because Steam will try to set up your controller. Steam has a feature called Steam Input. When you connect a controller and Steam is running, it will automatically detect and set up the controller for you. And sometimes this can interfere with other launchers, such as the Epic Games Launcher and games. So all that you have to do is open Steam, click on Steam at the top left, and then go into the settings. When you choose settings from the top left, you can go into the controller category. In here, what you have to do is scroll all the way down and find the desktop layout. Now choose Edit. This will allow you to see if Steam Input is enabled or disabled for the desktop layout. Now, for me to fix this issue, all that I have to do is disable Steam Input. So if you click on Edit, when you go over to Desktop Layout and you see this view, then all that you have to do is disable Steam Input. Now open any game and your controller should be doing only single inputs without pressing random keys or keyboard keys. However, if it still doesn't work, then you can try the opposite. If you go into Edit and you notice that it was disabled, then you can try enabling it instead and see what works for you. For me, you will notice that now that I've actually enabled it, now it's giving me trouble. As you can see, it's going all over the place, my commands are being doubled up, and this isn't what I want. So for my computer, I have to disable it. For you, this might differ, so just see whatever works. Now that I disabled it, it works properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix controller pressing keyboard keys on PC Epic Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.